All right, hi everyone, welcome on board. We got 99.18 ZAT sitting inside Exelite Jamshedpur, जो कईयों का ड्रीम स्कूल है. और इसका कैट पर्सनल क्या था, कैसे क्या था? He joined Cat King family. You came for verbal ability and mock test as well. And GDPA पढ़ा था?
GDPA.
वाह क्या बात. Feels proud man, feels proud. How does it feel to you, by the way? You're sitting on this side of the table right now.
I had always watched these videos from the other side. I had watched all of these personal interviews happening. Being on this side, sharing my experience, it's a great privilege. Thank you sir for that.
By the way, लड़का प्लेस हो गया है आज कल.
कल
हम कंपनी का नाम नहीं बताएंगे. हम स्टाइपेंड रेंज बता दें.
रेंज बता सकते हैं.
रेंज बता सकते हैं. As per the last year के एवरेज बता दें सर. 1.65 per month. ये एवरेज स्टाइपेंड अमाउंट ऑफ एक्सेलरेट जमशेदपुर लास्ट ईयर. अब तुम गेस करो कि भाई की कितना ऊपर कितना नीचे लगी है. सुबह कांग्रेस, दिमाग एकदम लाइट हो गया.
एग्जैक्टली, काफी लाइट.
और कॉलेज को शुरू हुए 3 months हो गए. 3 months. When you join the college, 3 months down the line, summer internship set होती है, and he's into one of the top FMCG companies. If you are able to crack a good placement right now, और अंदर जाके PPO निकाल लिया, sorted. 2 साल लड़के ने क्या ऐश करनी है, फिर अलग ही होगा. But before that, reaching there, you have to go through the rigor of पढ़ाई. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं इसकी जर्नी, कैट के थ्रू, ZAT के थ्रू, कैट के थ्रू क्या पसंद आया, क्या हुआ. You from BITS Mishra, BIT Mishra Ranchi, and engineer and 11 months experience.
11 months of experience.
बहुत बढ़िया. Let's begin. You joined Cat King towards the end, July August के आसपास. Good. And you started preparing for CAT. How was your CAT journey फटाफट? And then we're going to jump to ZAT.
Sure. So my CAT journey, I did give my CAT in the past year as well, in 22. Got around 89 percentile. Knew my weaknesses in especially in the verbal ability section. Moved on, was searching for resources where I could find good people who taught the rationale behind verbal ability rather than just mugging up concepts. That's where CatKick came in. When I went through the videos, I went through a dashboard material as well before buying the course as well. It provided me with materials that were not there available on the open source. People do talk ki free materials use kar sakte ho and everything, but until you don't pay, you don't get that feeling to study.
Yeah.
That is there. So free materials are there. If you're a very diligent student, of course you can go for that as well.
True.
But uske baad I started with the course. Initially it was not easy. I would agree to that. Initially ek resistance tha. But that's because you're weak in that section, right? So you can't say ki everything will fall right into place from day one. चीजें मुश्किल होंगी initially, समझने में मुश्किल होगा. पर जब क्वेश्चंस बनने चालू होंगे, जब आप टाइम लेके क्वेश्चन बनाओगे, रैशनल बिल्ड करोगे क्वेश्चन के पास, then you will feel confident about your process, and then you will actually like the classes. You'll actually try to solve them live along with the classes as well. So that happened. VRC के score increase होना चालू हुए. QA DILR was again something which I had to brush up.
Yeah.
Went through the mocks of the CAT King as well. 20 mocks.
All the
20
mocks?
Great. The
Yeah.
analysis also was really well.
Okay.
It was well explained. It had alternative options as well. कि अच्छा अगर ऐसे नहीं बन रहा है तो ऐसे सोच सकते हो. एग्जाम डे में कैसे सोचना है, इस बारे में बातें होती थी. तो उस डायरेक्शन में got very good help from CAT King in general. Apart from that, before I'll say 1 month before the D-Day, I stopped. I won't say stopped, but it was only mocks. As sir mentions कि mocks पे ध्यान दो. Prep only around your weaknesses. और D-Day तो obviously you have to be really calm. हमारे टाइम पे it was one of the most toughest papers as well. But again, एक सेक्शन का बैगेज दूसरे सेक्शन में नहीं कैरी करना है. एक क्वेश्चन का बैगेज दूसरे क्वेश्चन में नहीं कैरी करना है. Every section is equally important. Every question carries the same amount of negative and positive marks. So ensure कि जो चीजें आ रही हैं वो बना के आओ. टफ है तो सबके लिए, इजी है तो सबके लिए. Again something जो आपसे काफी सुना है.
क्या बात है. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You know when you actually say something, यहाँ पे आके रिपीट कर दे. अब मैं लास्ट सेशन में था, तो लड़का बोला सर आपने बोला एक बात, take one section to the, and he completed moon. Yeah, and he was like yeah, I remember everything. Great man, great. I'm proud that you've done it. But your CAT went okay, right? 97.
97.
मैंने कुछ आया कॉल वॉल?
हाँ, आया मुंबई, SPJIMR, सारे कैप कॉल, इंदौर कॉल, ये सब.
गुड. कन्वर्ट्स कौन से थे?
सारे कन्वर्ट.
सारे SP भी कन्वर्ट?
SP का PM में 10 में वेट लिस्ट था.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद आई डिडंट चेक क्या हो गया था. तो
नहीं ठीक है. SP वर्सेस एक्सेल अलग फाइट होती है. But yeah, Excel has a great legacy for sure. SP relatively a new baby.
But a
it's
very good
good.
college as
It's a good college. अभी यही डिस्कशन चल रही है यहाँ पे between the deans and directors. But yeah, Excel is Excel. I've got deep respect for the professors for sure. चलो तुम बहुत दूर हो भी प्रोफेसर की बातें करने के लिए. पहले बात करते हैं भाई ZAT कैसे क्रैक करना है. Your ZAT percentile कितना था? Individual, if you remember, what is the individual scores?
So on average, it was 97 throughout the three sections. I'd say 96, 97, and 98. 98 in DM. If I have to talk about my preparation, so post CAT, 97, not a very good score. Was not expecting a lot of calls. Went forward the ZAT preparation. Was not sure if I was going to give ZAT or not. But then I decided that this college, the opportunity that I'll get through XLRI is not something that I can give up on. So it's a must-give exam. The college that you get through that is not only XLRI, you do get into other colleges as well. But XLRI is what they sell, and this is actually worth giving this shot. बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जो कैट करते हैं, रहने देते हैं, उसके बाद it's time to cool off. I've done a lot of effort, put in a lot of efforts. पर एक महीना का और एफर्ट है बस. नवंबर लास्ट वीक होता है कैट और जनवरी फर्स्ट वीक हो जाता है आपका ज़ैट. तो एक महीना का एफर्ट से यू कैन गेन अ लॉट. लाइव एग्जांपल इज हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू गाइस. हाँ, तो यही रहा था प्रिपरेशन के लिए. आई से कि डिसीजन मेकिंग सेक्शन really important and new section overall. Avoid trying to think what can be right. Obviously you have to think what it can be right, but question maker क्या सोच के बना रहा है, उसका आंसर क्या है, you can only guess that.
True.
So previous year papers are your only source, I would say. Unknown sources से question solve करना, और अगर उससे सही भी हो रहा है, you might think your rationale is right, but on the D-Day that might not happen. So you don't want to be in that zone. So to ensure कि you have a good rational build, a concrete rational through which you can be very confident about your answers. And again, इसमें भाई you can't carry baggage of your previous question.
And while you're performing for ZAT में 3 घंटे का टाइम है. अभी थोड़ी changes हुई है, just like combined time for all your LRDI, probability and DM as well, which you can switch the sections.
Right.
Which is a very very
Switching
good
the
thing.
section is a very good.
Is a very good thing. पर ZAT देना चाहिए मतलब.
ZAT for sure देना चाहिए.
Yeah.
For sure. एक तो it's a very interesting exam first of all. CAT obviously it does test you in a certain way, but इसका decision making section is actually testing your management skills. If you are put in that situation of being a manager, how will your decision making help other people, the stakeholders there in position? So अगर आप उसको पास कर रहे हो, you know you are a manager material. And XLRI knows you are a manager material.
Super. And it's like more of extension of English only, but a tinge of critical reasoning, right?
Right.
This is not like the basic thing.
A very fun section to be honest.
Very fun section. Great यार. तो भाई पढ़ाई करो बैठ के, नौकरी लो बैठ के. तुम्हारा भी 3-3.25 लाख का समर इंटर्नशिप लगेगी, पर ये 2 महीने अगले भाई फाड़ दो, जितना भी टाइम रहेगा 1.5-2 महीने का, पर फाड़ दो बैठ के. नहीं तो फिर रिग्रेट करेंगे बैठ के, है ना? कास्ट पढ़ लेते हैं.
क्योंकि फिर उसके बाद 1 साल फिर रुकना पड़ेगा, and you don't want to see your friends going in and you staying back.
बहुत पावरफुल लाइन है. So with this we gonna wrap up the session. Thank you so much for joining in यार. It was lovely catching up. इनको बोलना, वो क्या बोलते हैं,
Like, share and subscribe. Make sure you attend all the live sessions. सर बहुत मेहनत करके आते हैं क्लासेस के बाद. मैं इनके क्लासेस भी रहता हूँ, उसके बाद ये YouTube पे जाते हैं, मैं उस पे भी रहता हूँ. The energy he brings. मैं थक जाता हूँ पढ़ते पढ़ते, और ये नहीं थकते पढ़ाते हुए.
Thank you so much, man. Humble to everyone. All right, boys and girls, do it with the like button for sure. And नीचे लिखो pledge that you're going to be on this side of the table, like our Mr. and sitting with us next year, maybe in XLRI, Jamshedpur, or any top business school. Thank you for joining in. Do it with the like button for sure. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks, man.